back to another video. Welcome back to another POV. Had to give y'all a cold start because I haven't gave y'all one in a little minute. But yeah, we back at it like a crack at it. Let's take this little shit off real quick. And we finna get straight to it. Yeah. That's cool. Oh shit. Anywho, skis. Yay! Hold on. Also, it's a hornet nest in that vents right here.
Where them shutters?
Yeah.
That bat still back there?
I don't know, but there's some hornets in there now, or some wasps.
I got some wasp. Well, grandma got some wasp spray in that room. I see you in.
Oh.
I spray like that.
I don't fuck with them bugs. Whew, it is hot as shit, bro. If y'all live in the A, bro, it's fucking brazen outside. Like, it don't make no sense how hot it is. Like, I walked outside, goddamn, just taking out the trash and some more shit. Fucking started sweating. Like, bro, what the fuck? I just came out here. Anyways, let me plug this bitch up. My charger. Too loud. Alright, smooth. Alright, let's get right into it. Let's do it. Do y'all keep y'all traction on? Do y'all take it off like when y'all get in the car? Let me know. Not always put these bitches down, cause look at my arm. Like, bro, that shit don't make no sense. They ride. But yeah, I take my shit off my shit down because first of all the sun, and then I don't have front window tint yet. So once I get that, we're gonna be smooth and rocking. And don't worry. I get my brakes and rotors done tomorrow. So that's gonna be done and out the way. And we'll be back in action. Caction. Looking at me like, I remember I had a PO. I mean, I think I had a thumbnail in one of my POVs. Did I post that bitch already? I think I did. Fuck it. Call me Mr. David. Ooh, that boy finna get the mowing. Boy finna get the mowing and blowing. What? I'm gonna get a mic. I'm gonna equip that bitch on the front. I mean on the rear. Got some good little exhaust notes. It's crazy. I got mics at the crib. I just don't use them bitches. What's today? What's today? Thursday. Yeah. play some tunes, y'all boys. Fuck it. Woohoo! Finna see all my little shits, you understand? What y'all wanna hear? Y'all wanna hear some 9 right fast? I know y'all be fucking with Lil 9, so I'm gonna play some shit. Play some new shit.
On the one, I tell these on the one. I put 3 rounds on my gun. I put grabber in my blood. I'm the bitch that I smack. I need that money, man. I bought that bitch, I bought that crack. I'm mad as fuck. I called you up, like, give me my money.
You broke as fuck. What you say?
Come on, answer up, bitch. I feel like King Tight. Stop playing with me, bro. I feel big as fuck. Yeah. Hold on. Listen to me. Oh, you want smoke? Oh, you want smoke? No. So I take it from your hoe. She like, nah, I like your gold. She like, nah, I love your phone. Depends. I'm the boss. She wanna taste it. Up 10 milli. Mama, I made it. They mad I'm going up. My haters hate it. Hold on. I told that label, hurry up, bitch, hate me. I'm having a motherfucking archery like the Navy. Stop stealing my shit, bro. Stop trying to talk like me, lame man. I didn't know y'all. Fucking biggest in this shit, bro. Look at the fucking statistics. Look at the statistics, bro. I am the bitch. I'm with a whore and I'm fucking in New York. She playing game like she play on a block. She said that dick got me curved at my toes. I got that bitch and she came with no boat. Nobody hoe with a fuck of that nigga like me. She tryna get that shit off. But you made pussy, drink like shit like tea. She tryna get that shit off. Smoking on all that jack no blunt. I cannot get that shit off. I'm so high, I can feel my feet. I tryna fuck on a broad. I tryna fuck that bitch on the seat. Feel on most of the broad. I tryna fuck that hoe on the seat. Yeah, study the broad. She did one take in my coat, section 8. In my bitch, bad weight. In my bitch, bad weight. I just go both ways. But he be hey. She wanna fuck on trade. She wanna suck 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 on trade. She
Y'all know nobody.
Bitch, from Key down to Molly, hey. Happy shit is my hobby, hey. Rapping Roberto Cavalli, hey. And my bitch got a body, move to the streets like a wave, Try to play with a cave, No, you ain't riding this wave, Rockin' up black in the rain, Keeping us walking on brave, Rockin' up black in the rain, Young bitch wanna play with my braids. Just rock down the show at days. But no, I ain't talking about chicken, 34 ways of this, This is a dollar boy mission. Hell no, we ain't tolerant station. Hey, I'm in the back of the room, the bed and fucking rooms. Get off all these shrooms. I shit gon' be so through. Hey, I got swallows on my back. I should like eat your gold. Now me and all my goals. Why you playing with your nose? Pieces stick to the cold. I stick to the cold. I stick to the cold. My shit is keep my bitch. Keep out of my hey. Happy shit is my hobby. Hey, rockin' Roberto Cavalli. Hey, and my bitch got a body. Move to the streets like a wave. Try to play with a cave. No, you ain't riding this wave. Rockin' all back in the rain. Keeping us walking the rain. Rockin' all back in the rain. Yo, bitch wanna play with my brains. Just rock down the show at days. But no, I ain't talking about chicken. 34 ways of this. This is a dollar boy mission. Hell no, we ain't can't tolerate snitch. Hey, I'm in the back of the room, the back from the room. Get off all these shrooms, come shit gon' reach your door. Hey, hey, I got swans on my back, her shit like each and goes. Y'all me and all my goals, how you playing with your nose? Hey, 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 hey.
Type shit. Had to give out a little something real quick. I don't know nothing like this. Vibe out.
Pour me a glass, she's got good taste, so good. Take off her clothes by the fireplace, sexy, yeah. She looks just like a dream, the prettiest girl I've ever seen.
Damn, that be loud.
From the cover of a magazine.
And shit like that. But I'ma say it out for the next one, y'all boys. I love y'all. I love all y'all, you know what I'm saying? Stay tapped in, love every one of my folks. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. Oh, y'all. Just wanna let y'all know. And that will conclude today's POVski. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video, new vlog, new POVski. Any content coming to the channel, man, stay tapped and stay tuned in. Okay. That motherfucker tell me some little Porsche. Hold on, let me let y'all hear that shit. Hold on. Let's see if you gonna hit that motherfucker. Let me see that shit. I think he gonna let me hear it. Oh, he got out the car. Hey, I was gonna say I wanted to hear it. This nigga can't hear me. What all you got done to it? Excuse me. What all you got done to it? What the fuck? But this nigga just completely. Boy, fuck this nigga. We out.